Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. I just wanted to talk to you guys about. I promised that I would do a video on what I have in my diet. Trying to lose weight since I had my son. By the way, if you hear any noise in the background, he's just here playing all by himself. So forgive me because he enjoys playing by himself. Okay, so let's get straight to my kind of rusty voice because I'm having a little bit of cold. So forgive me if I sound too hoarse, but I promise you guys that I would do a video on how I lost my baby weight, or what am I doing to lose the weight since I had my son. It's still a work in progress, and by no means I am any nutritionist or any professional in this field, but I'm just sharing what I did or what I am doing to lose my baby weight. So basically what I've been doing is I have been working out from home, solely at home, because my son wouldn't allow me to go to the gym. So I'm going to tell you what I do, or show you, as a matter of fact, what I do in my workout and what I have when I am dieting. Okay, so what I would do first is, in the mornings when I wake up, I would have a glass of apple cider vinegar with grapefruit juice. For some of you who don't want to use the grapefruit juice, you can use the actual grapefruit itself. But it's so hard for me here in France to find grapefruit straight through the season, so I had to use grapefruit juice. So after that, I would have a cup of detox tea or any type of herb tea you wish to have. Okay, so that's what I drink in the morning when I wake up. Then for breakfast, when I just started off dieting, what I did, went online and I found this book. I won't say what the name of the book is or by who because of YouTube's policy, but I found this book and I've been using this book ever since. So what I basically did, I went on a cleanse. What a cleanse is exactly is that you have green smoothies for a period of time to flush out your system, to cleanse your system of toxins. So I had green smoothies for about 10 days. If you continue watch this video, you'll see exactly how I make my green smoothies and what I put in my green smoothies. So when I started dieting, I did a green smoothie cleanse for 10 days. As a matter of fact, my husband was so nice to do this cleanse with me. And during my first 10-day smoothie cleanse, my husband lost 10 pounds and I lost 4 pounds. I was so mad, but I stayed encouraged, and you see the result. I can tell you that I'm also going to, if you continue watch this video, you will see pictures of my before and after, of what I look like before the cleanse and what I look like after the cleanse. So what the cleanse consists of is, you have 3 green smoothies for the day. You have green smoothie for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Between the breakfast and the lunch, you can snack, and between the lunch and the dinner, you can snack. One of the things that I snack on, for example, was boiled eggs, unsalted nuts, cooked broccoli, and what else did I snack on? And apple. All right. So those are the things that you can snack on between meals, between smoothies. So breakfast, snack if you're hungry, lunch, then snack again if you're hungry, then smoothie again for dinner. So you have 3 smoothie, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. That's it for the day, plus your snack. Most importantly, you're not supposed to stay hungry. You will feel terrible. And must I add, this was the hardest thing I have ever done in terms of dieting. But mentally, my husband and I did it together, so it was easier for us to do. We make sure that we keep the fridge empty in order not to have temptations, and we stick it out together. But it was hard. It was very hard to do this for the 10 days, but we did it and we got the results, so that was good. So that's what I did when I started out dieting. After my green smoothie cleanse, I still continue eating healthy. So what I would have, like for breakfast, I would have toast brown bread with scrambled eggs or boiled eggs. That's it for breakfast. Then for lunch, I would have a salad. My salad would consist of lettuce, tomato, a little corn, and maybe a piece of chicken breast. If I don't feel to opt for the chicken breast, I would just have the salad as it is. I would probably add some nuts to that. And for dinner, I would have some sauteed vegetables with either chicken breasts or chicken leg and thigh, which I love. And I would maybe have some maybe steamed broccoli and carrot with brown rice. This is what I would have for dinner. Don't get me wrong now, this girl is not a strict dieter because I have my cheat days. Okay, everybody have their cheat days. You must have your cheat days. There are days when you just feel like indulging some KFC or some ice cream or chocolate, which I love and my husband adores. So apart from when I'm not dieting, girl, I eat every and anything, but I eat in moderation. I don't eat too much. I portion and make sure that I don't overeat then. And I try not to snack too much. Okay? So that's it for what I eat. My workout, I normally like to work out the very first thing in the mornings, an hour, and I run for like 30 minutes, and then I would do my workout, my abs and all that for like another 30 minutes. So that way I know that I get my hour in almost every day. At least I try. So if you continue watching this video, you'll see I show you exactly what I do at home to try to continue to get the baby weight off. Hi guys! So here I'm about to show you guys how I make my green smoothies when I'm on the full cleanse. These ingredients I'm about to show you, for starters, you don't necessarily have to use the spring mixed greens. I would suggest that you use spinach for start. Okay, so I am on day 10 of my cleanse. Today is my last day of this cleanse, so I'm just going to show you what I would use. We're going to use some spring mixed greens, and my mixed greens is just consist of different type of green leafy vegetables. So there is lettuce in there, there's spinach in there, and some other types of vegetables. You can find this in organic or organic store or any supermarket already packaged as spring mix greens. Okay, we're going to use some seedless grapes. We're also going to use some peaches. We're going to use a little pineapple. And we're going to use just a little strawberries that I found in the fridge. So there you have it. Those are all the things that I will add to the blender, including 2 cups of water and 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. All right, so here we go. Inside my blender, I have all my greens, my 2 cups of water, and my flaxseed. I like to blend the greens first, then I add my fruits. All right, so we're going to blend this, then add the fruits. That is my blended mixture of the greens. That is what it looks like. So now I'm going to go ahead and add all my fruits. All my fruits are added and we're ready to blend. Now that we're finished blending, that is what my amount looks like to last me for the day. Normally it would have been a little bit more. I don't know why I get such a little bit this morning, but however, that is what it looks like. What you want to do is blend it like a minute or so. That way you don't leave with any lumps. It's supposed to be very smooth. That's okay. So there you have it, all green. So now let's have a taste. By the way, if it is not sweet enough with all the sweet fruits that you'll be using, if it's not sweet enough, what I advise is that you add stevia, whatever amount is sweet enough for you. These are my stevias that I might add. I don't normally use stevia. Because I get so used to the green smoothie. I have it without any added sweetener. And this is what I like to have my smoothie in. So what I normally do is I have 3 of these that I put my breakfast, lunch, and dinner in. So I just package it in the mornings, and when I'm ready I just take one. So this is the amount that I normally get from each serving of. That is about 16 ounces. So I have 3 sets of 16 ounces, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So let's go ahead and taste this let's go ahead and taste this. I also like to have my smoothie with a little straw in it. That way it's easier for me. So let's taste. Not one of my favorites, but it's okay. It's good for me. I don't have to add stevia to it because it is sweet enough. This is all I am having for breakfast. I also already have my detox tea and my glass of apple cider vinegar with grapefruit juice. So now I'm going to have my smoothie, and yeah, that's breakfast. And I'll have the same for lunch and the same for dinner. Like maybe 2 hours after I have my breakfast, I will have 2 boiled eggs. You guys can use any greens that you want: spinach, kale, lettuce, any greens you want, you can add to your smoothie. Make your smoothie fun, make it taste the way you want it to taste. You can also use any fruits you want. You don't necessarily have to use the fruits that I showed in this video. You can add sweetener, add stevia if you want. So make your smoothie fun, make it to taste the way you like it to taste. And also I would suggest that you use frozen fruits. If you don't opt for frozen fruits, then I suggest that after you make your smoothie, you have it to chill a little bit in the fridge before you drink it. That way it will taste more refreshing. I'm going to go ahead and enjoy my smoothie. That's it for showing you guys how I make my smoothies. Okay, you guys, so it's morning and it's workout time for me. Oh, I'm so tired, but I have to get this done. So I'm about to show you guys exactly what I do in my little workout routine. All right, so follow me. I am dying. One minute to go, and then we're done. Come on, we can do it. 1 minute. Seconds. 15 seconds to the 30 minutes. And done. Woo. 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 30 minutes done. And I feel accomplished. Now we're gonna walk about 2 to 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes. And then we'll do some abs. Alright? Let's do this. I am dying. Can you tell? I accomplished my 30 minutes run. And we're going to do a little stretch before we go to the abs, just to get the muscles relaxed properly. Oh, it's hot, very hot. So yeah, 30 minutes run, feel accomplished. 30 minutes run and walking for three or so minutes.
And then, whew, feels good. 4.2 miles, 11 laps, 400 and a bit calories. Yeah, so not bad. Not bad at all. I'm about to start my little obsession. This is just my way and my routine of what I do to try to get my baby weight off. Okay, guys, so here we go. Oh, these abs, I'm about to do them in sets of 30 seconds. So I do 30 seconds pause between each abs, and I do each ab for 30 seconds, if that makes sense. All right, so here we go. Oh. Now for the push-ups. I normally do the push-ups in 10 and gradually work my way to see if I can manage more. All right, here we go. Now for the squats, my last and final one. All right, here we go. I'm just going to use the edge of my couch for an estimate of how low I want to go. All right, let's do this. So there you have it, guys. That's my little workout routine. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and leave a thumbs up. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Juices. I'm out.